Xbox Game Pass could be going through a very big change very soon, and it could all involve a massive partnership with none other than Discord. Now, as I'm sure you and your grandma and everyone else have already heard by now, a couple days ago, yeah, Xbox, they actually cut their Game Pass price, or at least for one of their tiers, so that was big. It was slashed by $7 a month, which is very good, but on the flip side, they will no longer be including new Call of Duty. So yeah, there's some good and some bad to it. We can look at the updated chart right here, right from Xbox.com. So this is the three tiers of Game Pass. So rounding up, you got $10 a month, $15 a month, and $23 a month. Used to be where the highest tier was $30 a month. Okay, that's good. I mean, that's, a start, and it won't come with new Call of Duties. Okay, I'm sure there's plenty of people who don't care about that. But it turns out the Game Pass, or at least one of the tiers, maybe even the lowest tier, could actually soon be bundled with Discord Nitro. This is very big. This all apparently was a leak, and it came from a data mine, which, suggests that Game Pass Standard Edition will include 50 plus games and cloud play. Okay, yeah, this is really blowing up today. Just a couple days after that whole official announcement came out that the tiers are decreasing in price. Now, this is from Video Games Chronicle. I'm going to go to the actual source here in a little bit, but it says Xbox is planning to bundle a new Game Pass tier with Discord Nitro. That is according to a data mine of an upcoming update that mentions Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition, which will allegedly be given to paying Discord users as part of their subscription. Yeah, it says according to the data mine text strings, Game Pass Starter Edition will offer access to 50 plus games like Stardew Valley, Fallout 4, and Grounded, plus 10 hours of cloud gaming every month, in addition to what sounds like the Discord Nitro that you would be getting. Now, if you didn't know, I really am not familiar at all with Discord Nitro, really Discord in general, the platform. I know I'm a little out of the loop here, but basically when I look into it, yeah, it's a paid version of Discord where you can just get a bit more out of it. You can upload things like videos with much more of a size to it. You can stream higher quality with screen sharing. You can have custom emojis. It's kind of just one of those things where it's a little bit of extra stuff that you can use on the platform. It's not for everyone, of course. A lot of people can get by without using it, but for some people, they love it. And, at first when I heard this, I thought, okay, this is interesting. The Standard Edition or the Starter Edition, that might be like the next fourth tier, I guess, of Xbox Game Pass. Maybe it'll be the cheaper version, and that'll just come with free Discord. But it kind of sounds like, according to these leaks, it's the other way around. The way this is worded in the actual source, it's like if you already have Discord, or if you just go out and get Discord Nitro, then that'll come with Game Pass. Like, Game Pass is kind of the secondary thing here. Maybe that's going to be more of how it is advertised. So we go to the actual source here of the alleged data mine. This is from Reset Era. Basically, it is a forum post, and we see right here some quotes from the lines of text, and I do have this post linked in the description. Basically, the data mine, it sounds like it found a bunch of stuff that's going to be advertised. So there are little blips here and there, like Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition is now included with Nitro. Jump in. Cloud gaming for select games from your Xbox library, up to $25 a year in the store with rewards. Or the bottom one there, subscribe to Nitro and access Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition, deals on gear, new orbs, perks, and so much more. So yeah, this is kind of advertised, as I said, as Discord Nitro with, on the side, a little bit of Xbox Game Pass you get as an extra. But still, it could be its own separate tier, and if you thought of Discord as the secondary thing here, then so be it. Now, what's interesting is that when I look into this, again, kind of first time for me here, it is saying, or at least the deal it's just offering me on just the Discord platform, it's saying that Nitro is $9.99 a month. Now, keeping that in mind, $9.99 a month, we'll go back to that screenshot here of the three tiers. You'll notice that very first one, the cheapest one already, it's called Essential. That's $9.99 a month. So, I don't know, this could be kind of confusing. Like, if they have Discord Nitro come with this standard or this starter edition of Xbox Game Pass, then it almost makes it sound like the Essential tier will just be replaced by this starter tier, because the Essential tier has 50 plus games on Xbox, right? It's already got kind of language like that. So it sounds to me like this is not going to be another fourth tier. I think this is going to be a revamped first tier with better benefits. If you're an Xbox user, then it's like, oh, hey, maybe I do want to get into Game Pass because it comes with Discord Nitro. Or if you're on Discord, you love Nitro and you don't really care about Xbox, you know, hey, this will just come with Xbox Standard Edition. Maybe I'll just start playing these games. Overall, it makes sense, at least in the sense of bringing in more customers to Game Pass. Yeah, this will really be interesting, I guess, to see how this all works out, if it is actually true, and when this rolls out, and really if this all actually ends up working in the grand scheme of things for Xbox.